Hey guys, we're Team Group Love and today we're going to give you a summary of our user experience profile. At the end we're going to ask for some feedback as well, but let's take a look at the UX profile first.
In the broadest sense, the main aim of Colab is to improve the group work experience. With this target in mind, features of the app are considered from the perspective of optimizing the convenience for the user. A focus on soft or emotional issues is prevalent throughout our UX profile and development methods. We have emphasized this aspect to coincide with our client's ambition to push the app in a direction that has real-world relevance and marketability. Within our UX profile, we have outlined our intention to design the profile page in a way that will invite users to learn more about each other and ultimately form stronger bonds. Looking briefly at the work we have done so far in the application, you can see that there are various options that are available to facilitate productive communication between group members, such as chat functionality. Communication and collaboration are deemed to be major factors in promoting group cohesion, and our UX profile has reflected our belief that a feeling of contributing to group work is important to achieving best results. The newsfeed is the main avenue through which group productivity is encouraged and facilitated. Keeping users updated in real time on the progress of other group members is seen as increased motivation and fosters a feeling of more active communal participation. A document upload feature, similar in functionality to Google Docs, will be implemented to allow the sharing of work directly between group members without having to organize it through an external avenue. Progress bars and achievements are two further features designed specifically to increase the active consideration of soft issues of group work. Achievement systems are proven emotional motivators and stimulants, and a successful implementation of an engaging achievement system aims to set Colab apart from competing applications. A large section of the UX profile was devoted to user research and example scenarios. We have decided that university students will likely be one of the largest client bases for the application, given the frequency from which students are placed in group work scenarios that would clearly benefit from using Colab. A survey of university students was conducted by the group, somewhat surprisingly revealing that the context in which most users would see themselves using the application was actually during a group discussion or meeting. This preference occurred with nearly as high frequency as users who could see themselves using the application predominantly individually at home. With these thoughts in mind, hypothetical user scenarios were developed, whereby two potential users of the application were described within their context for using the app and the benefits that they would seek to gain. A further section of the UX profile entailed analyzing an existing application that was chosen to be judged to have similarities to Colab. Basecamp is the application that was chosen, and it was deemed not to sufficiently address soft issues. In terms of evaluation plans, prototypes are to be judged through various testing approaches, including user testing, Krug testing, cognitive walkthroughs, and heuristic evaluations. User testing will give us feedback based on a number of varying aspects of the prototype. Krug approach testing aims to highlight sections of the system that may need refinement to increase the user experience. Cognitive walkthroughs seeks to determine the best possible outcomes of performing some common tasks. Lastly, there are several topics we would like to get your feedback on. Firstly, which context you would be most likely to use the application in. And secondly, what features would you suggest we include in the app to increase your feeling of group cohesion or emotional satisfaction?